Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create an email campaign in HubSpot step by step, perfect for beginners in 2026. Let's begin. An email campaign in HubSpot allows you to send targeted messages to your audience and track results easily. It helps you nurture leads, promote offers, and stay connected with customers. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, go to Marketing, then click Email. To start, click Create Email. Choose regular email for a standard campaign. Next, select a pre-built template or start from scratch. Now, customize your email content. Add a clear subject line, write your message, and use the drag and drop editor to insert images, buttons, and links. Make sure your content is simple, clear, and valuable. Next, choose your recipients. Select an existing contact list or create a new one using filters like lifecycle stage, location, or lead status. This ensures your email reaches the right audience. Before sending, review your email settings. Set the sender name and email address, preview the email, and send a test email to yourself. Once everything looks good, click Send or schedule the email for a later date and time. After the campaign is sent, HubSpot automatically tracks performance. You can view open rates, click-through rates, bounces, and unsubscribes from the email dashboard. Use these insights to improve future campaigns. Test different subject lines, content, and send times to get better results. In summary, creating an email campaign in HubSpot is simple and effective. With the right content, audience targeting, and performance tracking, you can run successful email campaigns and grow your business in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.